Hey everyone, Vladimir Haratunyan is here. I'm a regional manager at Simatech, and this is my colleague Tom Maintain. Today I would like to introduce you our seal puller. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because I see a lot of people, they don't know about this tool and they're still struggling trying to pull the seals with the screwdrivers or other tools like that. So the way this seal puller works, it comes with a whole bunch of screws. What you do, you take the screw, there is a little thread over here on the tip. You put the screw over here on the tip, and then after that, what you do, you just screw this into the seal. When it gets to the metal insert, right, you just tap a couple of times, the tip of the screw gets into the metal insert, and then you screw this into the metal insert. So now you have it grabs the seal, and now you can easily pull the seal out. And there are a lot of applications where the seal is little deep inside, so you don't have a perfect access to the seal. For situations like that, you can use the extensions. We have different sizes. You mount the little screw on the tip of extension. Then you can get deeper into the seal, and again screw it, tap it. When it gets into the metal insert, you screw it a little more. When it grabs the seal, then you pull it out. This tool can save you a lot of time. So please go ahead, get more information from website. If you still have questions, you can call us and we will be happy to answer all your questions. And also you can subscribe to our LinkedIn and learn more about our company and our products. Thank you and have a great day.